2002 VW EuroVan. First one on the channel, guys. Check it out. It's a classic right there. They're very rare. You barely ever see these vans. They were imported from Germany. EuroVan. I like the license plate. Lower class, baby. But check it out, guys. It's mint, too. It's really, really in good shape. Let me let you guys see what we've done on it. So it's got this massive converter, a baby converter. Comes off the manifold up there, down. Baby converter, secondary converter there, all original. You can see it's still made in Germany. Look at that. That is so cool. Anyways, then it's got a mid muffler right there. We left that alone for now. Then it was all rotted out from there, so we changed all this from the middle back on it, put him a new pipe, and then he brought his own Spec-D Muffler. There'll be a link in the description if we can find it, but it gives it that Euro look. Check it out, guys, right there. It's super cool. So we put it on for him right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. And as you guys can see, all that pipe was rotted out right there. And that's where the muffler was. We took it out and replaced it. Cleaned it up for. All right. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Thank you. We got to take the second one off. You want to do it? We can do it now. It's too quiet. Oh, no. There it is. It's not bad. Yeah, it's got a little bit. Again? Yes. Here's sound decibels. Right at 90.6. EuroVan. Look at that. And that sticker's perfect for this van. Check it out, guys. Let's get lost. Perfect travel van. So if you guys thinking about changing a EuroVan, and it is a 24 valve VR6? VR6. 2.8 liter 24 valve VR6. Look at the front of this sucker. You know, they need to bring these back. They'd sell the heck out of them if they do. Oh, do they?
Yeah,
but not the US. Yeah. I'll let you guys see the inside of it. That door only opens, right? Yeah, not this one. Check it out. I know you guys want to see the inside of it. Look at that. And that turns into a bed, don't it?
Yep. That pulls out to a queen size bed. You got a foldable table. These chairs.
Oh, wow.
Fold out of the way. They pull out.
What happened to all the new cars, man? They're useless.
Useless.
Look at the room. Look at the headspace.
Privacy curtains.
Privacy curtains.
Snap in.
That's so cool.
So you can pretty much make this a home if you want.
Yeah, you just sleep in it. Yeah. It's perfect for travel. There's the inside.
A little messy.
It's mint. Who cares? Dude, it is mint. How many miles on it? 300 something, he said?
296.
296, and it's still held up like this. That's crazy.
Take care of them.
Yep. Yeah, appreciate you bringing it in, man. Thank you so much.
Appreciate you guys
doing
the
work.
work.
Check it out. That's the motor. I think you can fit an LS in it.
They've got your modifications.
Yeah, we can do it. We got a Sawzall and a welder. We can do it. EuroVan. Hopefully it doesn't rain till he leaves so we can get this video. But ain't that a cool little van, dude? Especially how roomy it is inside, too.
I can look at those Mercedes Sprinters, dude. They're pretty sick.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for what I think.
It is. EuroVan. And it's starting to rain. I jinxed myself. I said, I missed the rain. And then rain came. But it's okay. We love the rain. Oh! Burnout out of a EuroVan. That was awesome. Enjoy, guys.